Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to use streak freeze on Duolingo. So to do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to Duolingo and open the app. And here you must understand the logic between Duolingo. So if you play Duolingo for more than 7 days, they will give you the streak freeze or one streak freeze for free. And as you can see, for example, here I have one because I played more than 7 days. And if I skip one day, only one day, they will apply this streak freeze automatically on my account. And there is another thing that you can buy more streak freeze if you are planning to skip more than one day and if you used your free streak freeze. So you can buy it for gems. And of course, those gems, you can buy them with money. And if you want, for example, to skip 1 week and not play for 1 week, you can apply the streak shield for 7 days. And it will cost you 3,000 gems. So if you are buying those gems, it will be the equivalent of $10 if you want to skip 1 week. So you have to buy this 7 days streak shield with $10 and apply it to your account. And there is also another option. It's not activated on my account, is to have when you have 2 days or 2-day streak freeze, you can buy it with 850 gems. So it's working like that. They will give you some streak freeze for free when you play the game for more than 1 week in my country, in Tunisia. I don't know in the other countries, but logically it's also for 1 week. And if you want to buy more, you can buy them more like with gems. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.